Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an apology letter. What is an apology letter? An apology letter is a written acknowledgement of how the writer's behavior or words adversely affected another person or group. It can be used to make amends in both personal and workplace situations for a mistake. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an apology letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, if you are a company or organization, write the header of the letter. Each organization has its own template. You can write the company name with bigger font. And write the address of the office. Mention the city, state, and zip code. You can also mention contact number, it is flexible. After that, write the date of the letter. In this case is November 27, 2023. And then, write the information about the recipient. Write the full name of the recipient. And write also the company name. Under it, you can write the address. Yes, mention the city, state, and zip code too. Now, you may open the apology letter with Dear Mr. or Ms. followed by the last name of the recipient. Write the reason why you are writing this letter. In this case, the sender wants to cancel an order. And you can write why you cancel it. In this case, it is because of slow response of the factory. And write how you hope the company to be professional next time. As it is an apology letter, you need to apologize. Tell the recipient how you apologize for the inconveniences have caused the recipient side. Finally, close the letter with sincerely. Write your signature. And write your full name. Don't forget to also mention your position in the company. In this case as the purchasing manager. So, that's how you write an apology letter step by step. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you for watching and see you.